Allison, from the moment I saw you, I had this feeling of you that you were special. I don't remember much from that first night we met, other than spending most of the night stealing glances at you. Every time I feel my love for you is full. A love that has grown through good times and bad times.
I swear just yesterday I was rushing into the banquet late and seeing you for the first time. Somehow, in the blink of an eye, we've been together almost 13 years, have a home, the dogs, and our beautiful boy together. It's pretty amazing to think of all we've been through. The highs and lows and everything in between. I'm so proud of us. And know for certain that no matter what comes our way, we've got this together.
You've been a steadfast supporter through it all. We have been through a lot together. It has only made our bond stronger. You have told me not to dread getting older. It's a privilege, you've said. But I look forward to growing older with you by my side. Raising a family and dealing with whatever life throws at us.
I love you so much, and I can't wait to marry you. Till my last day. We can get married.
Yeah, let's do it. I do. I'll do it right here. Walk out. Hey, we did it. Thank you all for coming.
When I couldn't stop thinking about him, and he just felt like home.
It literally was the moment I laid eyes on her. There was just something about her. Driving home that night, I knew right then there was something special. Deep down, I was sure. I knew she was the one. I could see myself with her for the rest of my life.
Hi kids, this is Grandma, and all I can say is don't go to bed mad. Make up before then.
Always follow Grandma's advice. Never go to bed mad. Okay, I have some advice. Save early and often, and buy low and sell high.
Be kind, be patient, be forgiving. Be forgiving.
Don't go to bed angry.
Ever.
Are we done? Did you hear it?
My advice would be to tell each other something every day that you appreciate the other one did.
My advice is to be nice to each other.
Say I'm sorry.
I hope that Allie has a good day.
Happy wife, happy life. Is that how it goes?
Despite all the long days spent away from home, the wife, the kids, you're doing it for them, and you know it's because you love them.
Advice for you guys is love each other, hold each other, tell each other you're great, and don't forget to get her flowers, and hallelujah.
I've done it twice. I've failed at it twice. I wouldn't listen to anything I have to say.
If I had advice about marriage, it would be to anger slowly and forgive quickly. Love each other. I love you.
Preston and Alli. First, I want to say I absolutely adore both of you. I have loved you since the minute I met you. I guess if I had to say something, try to make everything you do together fun, whether it's washing a car or raking leaves, picking up sticks, doing dishes, whatever it is, just know that you're doing it together and it just automatically makes it worth it. I love you both.